The 2026 BMW X1 continues its role as one of BMW's most important entry-level luxury SUVs, offering a blend of premium craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and everyday usability. Over the years, the Zone has carved out a strong reputation as the gateway into the BMW SUV lineup, appealing to young professionals, small families, and anyone who wants a taste of the brand's dynamic driving DNA in a practical and compact form. The 2026 model pushes this idea even further, modernizing its design, enhancing its performance, and equipping it with more advanced features to meet the expectations of today's drivers. At first glance, the 2026 BMW Zone strikes a balance between sportiness and sophistication. Its exterior design evolves with sharper lines, a more sculpted body, and a bolder interpretation of BMW's signature kidney grille, which has been slightly refined compared to larger SUVs in the lineup. Slimmer LED headlights and a more athletic stance emphasize its youthful and energetic character. While compact in size, the proportions of the Zone give it a strong road presence, ensuring it looks just as at home in urban environments as it does on the open highway. Alloy wheel options in larger sizes, stylish color palettes, and subtle performance-inspired accents allow buyers to personalize the vehicle to their tastes. Inside, the 2026 Zone represents a step forward in luxury and technology. BMW has made significant strides in modernizing cabin layouts across its lineup, and the Zone benefits from these improvements with a cleaner, more minimalistic interior that still feels upscale. High-quality materials such as leather, soft-touch plastics, and aluminum trim create a refined atmosphere, while ambient lighting adds a premium touch during night drives. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's latest curved display, which merges a fully digital instrument cluster with a high-resolution infotainment screen. The system runs on BMW's latest xDrive platform, offering crisp graphics, intuitive menus, and support for voice commands, wireless smartphone integration, and over-the-air updates. Practicality has always been one of the Zone's strengths, and the 2026 model does not disappoint. Despite being a compact SUV, it offers generous interior space for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats are designed with a slightly higher seating position for improved comfort and visibility, while a flexible cargo area makes it easy to accommodate luggage, shopping, or recreational gear. Split folding rear seats expand the cargo capacity, making the Zone versatile for everyday needs and weekend adventures. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X1 is expected to offer a range of efficient and powerful engines, including turbocharged gasoline and diesel options in different markets, as well as plug-in hybrid and fully electric variants to align with BMW electrification strategy. The brand's engineering focus ensures that even in its base configuration, the Zone delivers an engaging driving experience with precise steering, responsive acceleration, and well-balanced handling. Optional xDrive all-wheel drive adds confidence in challenging weather conditions or on rougher terrain, making it a capable companion for diverse driving scenarios. Safety and driver assistance technologies are another highlight of the 2026 Zone. Advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and parking assist systems are available, often bundled into intuitive packages. BMW has worked to make these technologies less intrusive and more natural, ensuring they complement the driving experience rather than detract from it. Overall, the 2026 BMW X1 is a well-rounded luxury compact SUV that strengthens its position as one of the most appealing entry points into the BMW brand. It combines stylish design, premium interiors, versatile practicality, and dynamic performance in a package that resonates with modern lifestyles. Whether chosen as a daily commuter, a family vehicle, or a stylish city SUV, the Zone continues to embody the spirit of BMW while adapting to the evolving expectations of drivers around the world. Would you like me to also make a shorter version of this overview, around 200-250 words, that you can use for YouTube descriptions?